Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am at Tim Sistem in Serbia and we are going to do a factory tour for you guys. So I'm going to take you around their factory and show you the various different areas and how the Tim Sistem cook stoves are produced. So right now we sell a lot of the North wood cook stove, and we're also discussing possibly bringing over another one of their models, which is the Alma model. And then they are also actually in the process of designing a new model, which will hopefully be available for 2024. So this is where all Tim Sistem cook stoves will be manufactured here in Serbia. Here we have the Tim Sistem factory. We are shut down right now because we're after hours, but we're also on summer holiday. So this station here is going to be where they actually manufacture their own castings. So flue collars, grates, those kind of items on the stove are going to be made right here. As we continue around, you can see the different machines. And over here, we're going to have the laser cutters, so I will take you over there. Here we have the laser cutting machines to cut out, as you can see, these kind of pieces of steel here. Here is going to be their painting assembly line. So the items come up, they get cleaned first, they hang on here as they travel down to be painted. Here we have the production line coming off the assembly of their pellet stove models. Kind of just gives you an idea of what this assembly line looks like. The nitty-gritty details of how your stoves are produced right here in Serbia. So this is the metal pellet blasting, which is like where they use the little balls of metal and they use it to clean the steel to get any kind of grease or excess dirt off of them before they send it to the other painting station, which is going to be located right here. Here we just have warehousing space as well as storage where they store the items as they get sent through the assembly line. Here we have a welding booth. It looks like maybe they have at least up to 15 different booths where they weld anything together here. And these are the welded items waiting to be finished throughout the assembly line. In here we have their latest room that they are setting up to be another assembly line, which is what that assembly station is down there. So as everybody is aware, we've had increased demand worldwide on stoves and shortages. This is them accommodating for that to increase capacity. If they're able to just get 30 more employees, they would be able to increase their production by 50% with this additional room, which is huge. So another thing that I want to mention about the Tim Sistem factory is they actually just added solar panels to their building as well, which means 80% of all of their electricity is going to be produced by solar panels, which is probably just about as green as you can get for manufacturing. So just one more reason to choose a Tim Sistem cook stove. I really hope that you guys found this factory tour helpful. I hope that you guys enjoy my videos and traveling around the world and seeing different plants. If you guys like them, don't forget, give me a quick little thumbs up. Click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.